The same thing. Hey guys, part 2 of the fake stained glass picture. Our puppy paint, it dried last night. We're putting some color on it, and all we did was we're taking the clear school glue, Elmer's glue, and food coloring, mixing it up, different paints and everything like that, and I believe it's going to turn out really nice. But we got a little assembly line going here. Everybody's got a brush and they're painting and everything like that, and we're going to be a lot of color. I think it's going to turn out really nice. So we'll turn this off right here and we'll show you the finished project. So everybody have a great day. Hopefully we'll get this done today. We'll see. I think it's going to be nice. So thanks guys.